This will be for the con exercise, completing the square intro. All right, so they want to know what is the missing constant term in the perfect square that starts with x squared minus 20x. Okay, so there's only going to be 2 steps in this exercise for each problem. And you want to use the coefficient that is multiplied by x. All right, so we are looking at the number that is times x, and in this case, it is negative 20. So we're going to start by using the coefficient with x. So using the coefficient with x, there's only going to be 2 steps we apply to that number. The first step is going to be take half. Or in other words, divide by 2. That's the same thing. And then the second step is going to be to square it. Okay, so once you square it, even if it were negative originally, the answer is positive. All right, so you look at the number with x, you take half or divide by 2 and you square it. Very simple. All right, so step 1 is to take half of negative 20. So 1/2 times negative 20. And negative 20 divided by 2 is negative 10. Step 2 is to square it. Take the negative 10. All right, use parentheses and square it. Negative 10 times negative 10 is 100. Final answer. All right, right inside the box, 100. All right, these problems are all the same. They want the missing constant term to make this a perfect square. We are looking at the number that's times x. So we can see right here we are dealing with positive 6. Okay, step 1 is to take half. So half of 6 is going to equal 3. Step 2 is to square it. 3 squared, which is the same as 3 times 3, is just 9. And that's it. Click in the box, type 9. All right, last one. We're looking at the number that's times x, the coefficient in front of x. We can see that's a negative 16. All right. Step 1 is to take half of negative 16. And that is going to be negative 8. Step 2 is to square it. Okay, make sure you use parentheses and square it. That's negative 8 times negative 8, which is 64. Final answer. So just click in the box and type 64.